In this video, I'll be showing you how I clean an exhaust fan. It is recommended to clean them every 6 to 1 year. This is a perfect place for mold to grow, and it also reduces the fan efficiency. First, make sure you switch off the fan or go to the breaker and switch it off. Then go to the exhaust fan, pull one side and squeeze those two metal clips and pull down, and then you repeat the same thing on the other side. That should free the plastic cover and you should be able to take it off. I cleaned the plastic cover in the sink with some water and soap using a toothbrush. Once it was clean, I put it aside to dry. Now I'm going to remove the fan housing, which is held in place by 3 screws. Yours might vary slightly, but it is the same procedure. After taking out the 3 fastener, I was able to pull out the fan housing. I make sure to unplug the electrical wire before I was able to take it out. And you can see how dirty the fan look. I previously cleaned the white plastic cover, but this is the first time I'm gonna be cleaning the fan since the installation. I start by using the toothbrush in combination with the vacuum to remove the majority of the dust. I decide to open the fan housing to get better access. Now I am trying to remove as much dust as possible before I can move to the next step. Once I was done with the inside, I tried to tackle it from the outside, then vacuum all the dust away. Next, I took the fan to the sink. I was holding it at a slight angle, making sure the water was not getting into the motor. Using a toothbrush is perfect to get in between the fan blades. Let me know in the comment what would be an alternative tool for this job. I also clean the fan housing and the sink with the toothbrush using water and soap. Now let's assemble the fan with the fan housing using the 3 screws. Using a damp cloth, I make sure to wipe any dust that was inside of the metal case before putting the fan housing back in place. First, I plug the electrical wire back, then I put the fan housing back in place. I follow by putting back the 3 fastener that was holding the fan housing inside of the metal case. Then I switched the breaker on to make sure everything was working fine. After confirming everything was in good working order, I'm ready to put the plastic cover back on. I install one side of the plastic cover first, then I repeat the same thing on the other side. Once you got both metal clips in place, push up the plastic cover. I hope this video was informative. Hopefully it's useful to someone out there. If you like this video, you might also enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.